Good morning, dear students. In our previous class, we have started the new chapter, that is coal and petroleum, and we had studied about the byproducts of the coal and story of the coal. We have main three byproducts of the coal when we are getting coal from the coal mine, that is the coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Okay, now today we are going to study about the petroleum, that how we can obtain the petroleum from the nature. So the petroleum is the most usable fuel, and the in light automobiles such as the motorcycle, scooter and cars. Okay, without petrol you cannot drive the vehicles. Okay, heavy motor vehicles like trucks and tractor run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from the natural resources called petroleum. Okay, it will be asked in the 1 marks, either in a define the term either in a one word, that the petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resources called as the petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from the petra. Petra, it means what? Rock, and oleum, it means oil. And when we combine these two words, petra and oleum, that is form the petroleum. And it is mined from between the rocks under earth as shown in the figure. Okay, ये पेट्रोलियम कैसे बनता है? जब रॉक है, देन डेड एनिमल्स है, जो एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स है, उनके ऊपर जो सॉइल के लेयर बनते ही जाते हैं. इट टेक्स मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर प्रोसेस, एंड देन आफ्टर वी गेट द पेट्रोलियम. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट within a 10 or 15 years we can have the petroleum from the earth. Okay, so what do you know about how the petroleum is formed? The petroleum was formed from the organisms living in the sea. This is the most things that you have to keep it in mind. The petroleum was formed from the sea organisms, either aquatic animals. Okay, and these organisms die, their bodies settle at the bottom of the sea and got covered with the layers of sand and clays. And over the millions of years, abundance of air, high temperature and high pressure transform the dead organisms into the petroleum and natural gas. When this living aquatic animal जब मर जाते हैं, वो सी के बॉटम में वो सेटल हो जाता है. और आपको पता है कि जैसे जैसे हम अर्थ के नीचे लेयर में जाए तो उसके अर्थ के लेयर्स में प्रेशर और टेम्परेचर बढ़ता जाता है, राइट. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन this organisms body are comprised, and we get the petroleum and natural gas. Okay, it shows that the deposits of petroleum and the natural gas, you see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above the water, है ना. ऊपर जो है, दिस इज द वाटर एंड दिस इज द गैस ऑयल. यहाँ पे जो नीचे है वो वाटर. ओके, नाउ रिकॉल दैट ऑयल एंड गैस आर लाइटर देन द वाटर एंड डू नॉट मिक्स विथ इट. क्लियर? जो वाटर के साथ ऑयल एंड गैस मिक्स हो सकता नहीं है, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी लाइटर. इफ वी वांट टू मिक्स द गैस विद द वाटर, वी शुड अप्लाई द हाई प्रेशर, देन एंड देन ओनली वी कैन mix the gas with the water. For example, your thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up जब आप ओपन करते हो तो उसमें से बबल्स निकलते हैं. क्यों वो बबल्स निकलते? क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है उसको अंडर हाई प्रेशर वाटर के साथ मिक्स किया जाता है, एंड दैट गिव्स अवर दैट टेस्ट ऑफ कोक. ओके, now refining of petroleum. It means what? उसकी जो मील जहाँ पे उससे पेट्रोलियम हमें मिलता है, बिकॉज हम पेट्रोलियम जो है वो हम अर्थ के नीचे के लेयर में से निकाल रहे हैं. तो वी कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली यूज इट इन द व्हीकल. इफ़ वी आर यूज इट डायरेक्टली, देन इट मे हार्मफुल टू अवर व्हीकल, वो हमारे व्हीकल खराब कर देगा. सो फॉर बिफोर द using petroleum in vehicle, it need to be refined, it need to be purified. Okay, so petroleum is a dark oil in liquid. It has an unpleasant odor. Unpleasant odor, it means what? You cannot hold the odor either, कि वो पूरे दिन उसकी ऑर्डर रहेगी नहीं, वो उड़ जाएगी. अगर आप पेट्रोल को एक खुला कर दो तो उसकी जो स्मेल है वो विद इन 10 to 20 सेकेंड वो निकल जाएगी. It is a mixture of various constitutes such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel and lubricating oil. Lubricating oil, it means what? कि जो हम काट लगता है ना, तब ये lubricating oil यूज़ होता है. ओके, ताकि जो दो मशीन्स है, इंजन है, वो प्रॉपर तरीके से वर्क कर सके. Paraffin, wax, etc. Okay, the mixture of which kind of products? It is a mixture of various constituents such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin, wax, etc. Okay, the process of separating the various constituents fraction of petroleum is known as the refining, and it is carried out in the petroleum refining. Petroleum refining में in short क्या होता है कि पेट्रोल को प्यूरिफाई किया जाता है, उसकी जो बाई प्रोडक्ट्स है उसको अलग किया जाता है, ताकि लास्ट में हमें पेट्रोलियम एकदम क्लीन मिले. There are certain constituents that we get from the petrol, that is the petroleum gas in a liquid form, that is the LPG. The next is the petrol. Then next is the kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, then paraffin, wax and butadiene. Here the uses are given. What is the use of petroleum gas in fuel for the home and industries. Then petrol is used for the motor fuel, activation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. The next is the kerosene स्टव में यूज़ होता है, लैंप में यूज़ होता है. Then डीजल, वो भी व्हीकल में यूज़ होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक जनरेटर में यूज़ होता है. देन लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल, ल्यूब फॉर द लुब्रिकेशन, मीन्स वो रिलैक्स करता है. जो इंजिन्स जो है वो अगर जाम हो जाते हैं तो उसको लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल से पोर किया जाता है ताकि लुब्रिकेशन हो. देन पैराफिन वैक्स इज द ऑइंटमेंट्स, कैंडल, Vaseline, etc. And the butadiene is used in the paint and road surfacing. Okay, so the various constituents of petroleum and their uses are given in this textbook. You have to remember and read it out. Okay, the last topic is the natural gas. As you know, the natural gas, it means the simple meaning of natural gas, it means the type of gas which is not harmful to the our environment. It does not cause the pollution, because natural gas is a very important fossil fuel because it is easy to transport through pipes, and natural gas is stored under the high pressure as compressed natural gas, CNG. What is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas. And CNG is used for the power generation, and it is now being used as a fuel for transport vehicles because it is less polluting and it is a cleaner fuel. Now next is what is the advantage of CNG? If we are using the CNG in the vehicle, what is the advantage? It can be used directly for burning in homes and factories where it can be supplied through pipes. So one advantage is the CNG gas can be supplied through pipe easily. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara, Gujarat and some part of Delhi and other places. Now the next is a natural gas is also used as a starting material for the manufacture of a number of chemicals and fertilizers. Okay, India has a vast reserves of natural gas. In our country, the natural gas has been found in Tripura and Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Krishna Godavari Delta. Clear? So this is about the natural gas, and the last topic of the chapter is the some natural resources are limited. Because why these natural resources are limited? Because those resources we can get from the nature, that we cannot have it again, either we cannot get in a original way. You can study, you have studied the beginning of this chapter that some natural resources are exhaustible, like fossil fuels, forest and minerals, etc. And you know that the coal and petroleum are fossil fuels, right? So it requires the dead organisms and millions of year process to get the converted into this fuel, because this petroleum, diesel and kerosene, it will take millions of years to form. Okay, on the other hand, that no, the reserves of this will last only a few hundred years. ये जो resources हैं हमारे पास पेट्रोल केरोसिन डीजल के, वो हमारे पास अब जो next 100 year चले उतना ही है. But what about next 100 years के बाद क्या? Okay, so these are in a limited. Moreover, the burning of these fuels is a major cause of air pollution, and this is their use is also linked to a global warming, and it is therefore necessary that we use these fuels only when absolutely necessary, and this will result in better environment. Okay, so that we need to use the certain natural gases CNG and LPG. वो LPG का full form है liquid petroleum gas. Okay, so that it helps to keep our environment in a better condition and smaller risk of global warming and their availability for a longer period of time. In India, the Petroleum Conservation Research Association, it will be asked in the one word, that is the what is the full form of PCRA? The Petroleum Conservation Research Association advise the people how to save the petrol and diesel while they are driving, and the tips are given. What is the tips? The drive at a constant and moderate speed as far as possible. It means what? When you are driving any vehicle, अगर आप कोई 40 की स्पीड से आप ड्राइव कर रहे हो तो ट्राई टू मॉडरेट दैट स्पीड, मीन्स ट्राई टू मेंटेन दैट स्पीड एट 40. Okay, switch off the engine at traffic lights or at the place where you have to wait. When you are in the heavy traffic, that time you should switch off your vehicle. Ensure the correct tire pressure. Okay, जो आपकी टायर का प्रेशर है, that you have to regularly check it. Ensure the regular maintenance of the vehicle. It means what? In the certain period of time you will have to service your vehicle, so that if there are certain problem inside your vehicle, it will be solved out. Okay, so here we complete this chapter. I will send you the exercise. You will have to write it down in your notebook. We'll meet in our next class. Till that, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. God bless you all.